The Ishrat Jahan encounter case has sparked war of words between political leaders on Thursday after the CBI filed a charge sheet and concluded that 19-year-old Ishrat Jahan, who was killed in 2004 along with 3 others, was not a militant and was innocent. The charge sheet was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation on Wednesday. BJP leader Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi slammed the Congress and said that the fight against militancy would become weak.
मुझे लगता है कि ये जो इस तरह की मानसिकता है, इससे देश में जो आतंकवाद के खिलाफ एक मजबूत लड़ाई होनी चाहिए वो कमजोर होगी.
Meanwhile, Congress leader Harish Rawat said that it was the direct responsibility of the State Home Minister and the Chief Minister of the state if fake encounter takes place.
इतने सुनियोजित तरीके से किया गया जो इनकाउंटर है और जिसमें इतने स्तर के अधिकारी सम्मिलित हैं, वो बिना किसी बैकअप के नहीं हो सकता है. पहली बात यह है. और दूसरी बात यह है कि गृह राज्य मंत्री और गृह मंत्री दोनों की सीधी जिम्मेदारी बनती है यदि कोई फर्जी इनकाउंटर राज्य में हो रहा है तो.
Janata Dal United leader Shivanand Tiwari lashed out at the Gujarat government, adding that they had tried to suppress the issue.
अभी तक के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये बात आई है कि गुजरात की पुलिस ने, गुजरात की सरकार ने इस मामले को दबाने की कोशिश की, रफा दफा करने की कोशिश की. ये बात तो बिल्कुल साफ है.
CPI National Secretary D. Raja said that the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi needs to give an answer to the nation in the case.
Without an active connivance of the state apparatus at that point of time, such a massacre could not have taken place in Gujarat in 2002, and such fake encounters could not have taken place in Gujarat. And Mr. Narendra Modi, being the Chief Minister of Gujarat, owes a lot of answer to the nation.
Ishrat, Javed Sheikh, Amjad Ali Rana and Zishan Johar were gunned down in a police encounter in 2004 by the crime branch officials of the Gujarat Police. The Gujarat Police later claimed that those killed in the encounters were members of LET on a mission to kill Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. Camera person Roshan from New Delhi for ANI.